Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gustavio Zeiladra, and I will present my midterm report for English morphology. It focuses on analyzing morphemes, word formation processes, and contrasting these findings with English, primarily using samples from the Sasak language of Lombok. Morpheme studies the internal structure of words by breaking them into morphemes, the smallest meaningful units, and we analyze Sasak words by classifying morphemes as free or bound and derivational or inflectional. So derivational morphemes, this create new words or change a word class. For instance, like braja, it means study, is formed from the bound prefix b, and the free root raja. Similarly, like begawean, it means work, use the bound affixes b, and an with the free root gawe. Inflectional morphemes. These modify a word to express grammatical categories like number, tense, or aspect without changing the word class. Inflectional processes. In Sasak, inflection is used to express crucial grammatical detail. Plurality. This is often expressed through reduplication as seen in batur-batur. It means friends from the singular batur. The English plural suffix s can also appear like balas, bale. It means house from bale. Aspect, continuous or progressive. Suffixes like an in tindo an, it means sleeping or ongoing sleep, or in manganin, like eating in progress, show continuity or an ongoing action. Derivational processes and word formation. Our analysis identified several common word formation processes in Sasak, like in affixation. This is the most prevalent process, creating new words by adding prefixes or suffixes. For example, the noun begawean is formed through prefixation be and suffixation an to the root gawe. And the reduplication, this process is used to emphasize ongoing or repeated activities. And next is borrowing. Words are frequently taken from neighboring languages and cultures. For instance, belanja, it means buy, is borrowed from the Indonesian word belanja. Comparison with English morphology. Comparing Sasak to English highlight different morphological preferences. The affixation, Sasak primarily uses prefixes like b and c or c, like b and c, to form verbs or nouns. English uses both prefixes like an and the suffixes like nes. And next is reduplication. This process is common in Sasak, but it is rare in English. And the next is borrowing. Sasak borrows heavily from Indonesian and Balinese, while English borrows from language like Latin, French, and Greek. And in conclusion, the study successfully broke down Sasak words into morphemes and identified clear derivational and inflectional patterns. However, the analysis faced challenges like the lack of the standardization, dialectal variation, and the lack of the standardized written form in Sasak made morphological segmentation less certain, and the affix ambiguity. Some affixes like B and C word have multiple functions, complicating classification. Overall, this study demonstrates how Sasak morphology with its prolific prefixation and use of reduplication combines native linguistic patterns with influence from its regional context. So thank you. I think that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.